We're excited about the number 8, because we're heading to the 80s for days at a time.
It's like Sesame Street. This forecast brought to you by the number 8.
That's it.
And the letter P for Paul.
No, there you go.
And for pleasant weather in store for us. Temperatures starting off in the 60s this morning, and that's not bad for the middle of July. 65 degrees the temperature in Chapel Hill. Just a couple of fair weather clouds over Keenan Memorial Stadium. From campus at NC State, hey, 63 degrees and clear skies overhead. Just a really nice start this morning, especially with the lower humidity levels that are going to stick around for one more day. 67 degrees the official temperature in the Triangle this morning, but it's significantly cooler as you head farther north. 57 degrees in Henderson, 59 Roanoke Rapids and Roxborough. Those are the only spots in the 50s, but again, 60s are good enough in July. We still have some 70s on the map. 70 exactly in Dunn, 71 Rayford, and 72 in Clinton, but we're still about 80 minutes away from sunrise. You still have some time to join everybody else in the 60s. And then we start warming up. Temperatures will be well into the 70s or just above 70 by 8 o'clock, well into the 70s by 9 o'clock this morning, and well into the 80s by noon. But again, with the lower humidity levels, it should be pretty pleasant out there throughout the day. Just a few fair weather clouds by midday and into the afternoon. No rain chances in the forecast today. And this is the last day I can say that. Temperatures will reach the mid to upper 80s throughout the afternoon, topping out just below what's average for this time of year. Anytime we stay below 90 degrees for those high temperatures, that's bonus territory for us in the month of July. It'll be a little hotter as you slide farther south, around 90, 91, as we look down towards Cumberland County, into the Sandhills and the southern coastal plain. But that lack of humidity means it'll be comfortably hot. Mid to upper 80s as you head northward along the coastal plain. Mid 80s in southern Virginia and farther into the Piedmont. Just short of 90 degrees for those official high temperatures in the Triangle. Looking ahead to the weekend, temperatures won't be bad. Mid to upper 80s, but higher storm chances will be back, and the humidity will be back as well. Saturday, I think the better chance of storms is going to be later in the day. Sunday, scattered storms possible at any point during the day. Let's look ahead with Futurecast, and there's not much to look at for today, so we'll just zoom through the next 24 hours, freeze the maps tomorrow morning with the rain hanging out down to our south. That moisture, though, is going to increase, and while Futurecast doesn't show a lot of rain to the south of the Triangle during the day, there is going to be that chance to the south and southeast of the Triangle during the day on Friday, and then a better chance of rain starts to shape up on Friday or on Saturday, with the heaviest rain initially along the coast, but then that moisture does increase over central North Carolina with a pretty good chance of showers and thunderstorms later in the day, with some of them potentially becoming severe, especially just southwest of the Triangle on Saturday. Damaging winds are going to be the main threat. I think the greatest potential for severe weather is going to be off to our southwest, towards Charlotte and down into South Carolina, but we'll keep an eye on that as the weekend gets a little bit closer. We're getting there towards the end of the work week. Temperatures in the mid to upper 80s throughout the 7-day forecast, so a rare occasion in July when I don't have any 90s in the forecast for a full week.
I know. I'm excited about that, and today looks absolutely gorgeous. So hopefully everyone can take advantage of that and maybe get in at least a walk.
Yeah, windows down weather.
Oh yeah, this morning does feel a lot nicer than yesterday.